Okay, so I'm going to sing Amazing Grace. Holy pieces, broken and scattered, in mercy gathered, mended and whole. Empty-handed, but not forsaken, hope and set free, hope and set free. You take a failure, you take a weakness, you set your treasure in jars of clay. So take this heart, Lord, I'll be